Welcome back to my class. So far, we covered the 30 consonants, 4 vowels, 3 subjoints, 3 superscripts. And last time we did suffix ga. There are 10 suffixes. The 10 suffixes are ga, nga, da, na, ba, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. Of these 10 suffixes, we are done with the suffix ga. Ga, ga, nga, ga, nga, da, ga, nga, da, na, ba, ma, a, ga, nga, da, na, ba, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. So of these 10 suffixes, suffix ga, nga, ba, ma, ra. The 5 suffixes follows the same rule. There are 10 suffixes, but these 5 suffixes take the same rule. So, so let's say we did ga. Okay, we will do once more with the ga. So suffix ga. So if a letter is suffix, you won't see a dot here in front of it and the letter in between a consonant, in between 2 consonants, you won't see dot. That indicates that the following letter is suffix. So that means you have to pronounce all these 3 together. Ra, latak. Ra, latak. Do you recollect? What should it be? Ra, latak, la. La, ga, lak. Ra, lata, la, ga, lak. Ra, lata, la, ga, lak. Lak is to lose your wallet, to lose. Ra, lata, la, ga, lak. And then now coming to suffix nga. So we see ga, rata and na with not dot in between. So we know that these three should be pronounced together. So ga, rata, da, na, dang. Ga, rata, da, na, dang. Ga, rata, da, na, dang. And then we see a dot here. And now we will read ma, naro, mo separately because there is a dot in between dang and mo. So ga, rata, da, na, dang, ma, naro, mo, tang, mo. Ga, rata, da, na, dang, ma, naro, mo, tang, mo. Tang, mo is adjective word cold. Ga, rata, da, na, dang, ma, naro, mo, tang, mo. So while learning how to read Tibetan script, if you can learn a word or two, that will be very good. That will be very useful in the future. Garata dang adang manarobo tangmo. Tangmo. So ga latak. Do you remember what should ga latak be? How should you pronounce it? Ga lata la. La, and then we don't see any dot in between la and na. So you have to pronounce all these three together. Galata la nga lang. Galata la nga lang. Galata la nga lang. Ox. Cow, ox. Bull, ox. Galata la nga lang. So we see ga with yatak and na following ga yatak with no dot between ga yata and na. So we have to read them together. Ga yata gya nga gyang. Ga yata gya nga gyang. Ga yata gya nga gyang. Actually, it's easy, but then I'm reminding you of ratak, latak, and yatak at the same time. Ga rata da nga dang ma naro mo tang mo. Ga lata la nga lang. Ga yata gya nga gyang. Ga yata gya nga gyang. If superscript is added on top of consonant ka, we know that it will not make any difference in the pronunciation. So ra kata ka with no dot in between ka and nga. Ra kata ka nga kang. Ra kata ka nga kang pa. Kang pa is leg. A leg or legs. Ra kata ka nga kang. Ra kata ka nga kang. So we know suffix ga, nga, ba, ma, ra follows the same rule. So if ra lata la ga luck, if you are to read ra lata followed by ga as luck, then you have to read ra kata ka nga kang kang. Likewise, ka ba cup, ka ba cup. Ka ratak. Do you recall how to read if ratak is added to ka? Ka rata ta, ta ta, ka rata ta ba tap, ka rata ta ba tap, ka ratak ta ba tap. Ka yata kya, ka yata kya. There's no dot in between kya and ba, so we have to pronounce them together. Ka yata kya ba kyap, ka yata kya ba kyap, ka yata kya ba kyap. Ga ratak, ga ratak. Do you recall how to read if ratak is added to ga? Ga ratak, da, ta, ta, da, da. Ga rata da, we don't see any dot in between da and ba, so ga rata da ba dab. 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 If ratak is added to sa, how should we read it? Sarata, sarata, do you recollect? Sarata, it is one of the exception. Sarata, sa. Either there is ratak added to sa or not, it is to be pronounced as sa. Sarata sa. Sarata sa ba. There's no dot in between sarata and ba. So sarata sa ba sap. Sarata sa ba sap. Sarata sa ba sap. Why do you read sa ratak? Even after adding ratak, why do you read it as sa? Because it is one of the exception. Sarata sa ba sap. Sa. Sarata sa ba sap. superscript sa added on top of consonant ka. Sa kata, we know it doesn't make any change in the pronunciation. Sa kata ka, there's not dot in between ka and ma. Sa kata ka ma kam. Kam is a verb to dry. To dry, kam. Sa kata ka ma kam is a verb to dry your clothes. Come. Ka yatak, kya. Ka yatak, kya. Ka yatak kya ma kyam. 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 Kya ma kyam. Da, ra, dar. Da, ra, dar. Da, ra, dar. Sa, kata, ka, ma, kam. Ka, ba, kap. Ra, kata, ka, nga, kam. Ra, latak, la, ga, lak. So what do we see? There are 10 suffixes, but the 5 suffixes ga, nga, ba, ma, ra takes the same rule. Ba followed by ra with no dot in between, so we have to pronounce them together. Ba, ra, bar. Ba, ra, bar, dot, da, shapchudu, pardu. Till Sunday, till tomorrow, till. Ba, ra, bar, da, shapchudu, pardu. Ba, ra, bar, da, shapchudu, pardu. So I will spell them once more, and if you get time, you listen to it again. If you, while working, if you don't have time, you can listen to it while working. So I will spell them once more. Ra, lata, la, ga, lak. Ra, lata, la, ga, lak. Ga, rata, da, nga, tang, ma, naru, mo, tangmo, cold. Ga, lata, la, nga, lang, bull or ox, male of cow, cow, ox. Ga, yata, gya, nga, gyang. Ga, yata, gya, nga, gyang. Ra, kata, ka, nga, kam. If you have been studying from the very beginning, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, you should find it very easy to learn. I'm adding just the suffix ga, na, dana to what you have learned before. We are adding suffixes ga, na, ba, ma, ha, and all these kayata, karata, garata, galata. This you have learned before. So if you are seeing this class for first time, you will find it a bit complicated. It's better to start from the very beginning. And if you start from the very beginning, you will find it very easy. So, ra, kata, ka, nga, kang, ka, ba, kab, ka, rata, ta, ta, ka, rata, ta, ba, tap, ka, yata, kya, kya, ka, yata, kya, ba, kyap, ga, rata, da, ta, ta, da, ga, rata, da, ba, dap, ga, rata, da, ba, dap, sa, rata, exception, sa, rata, sa, ba, sap, sa, kata, ka, ma, kam, ka, yata, kya, ma, kyam, da, ra, dar, ba, ra, bar, da, shapchu, du, pardu, till, pardu. Next time we will add vowel to what we have learned today with suffix na or ba or da, ra or ma or ba. We add vowel to it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Have a good day. See you next time.